Now the question before us is, a piggy bank contains 100 50 paisa coins, 50 1 rupee coins, 20 2 rupees coins, and 10 5 rupee coins. If it is equally likely that one of the coins will fall out when the piggy bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin will be a 50 paisa coin? What is given in this question? It is given that there is a piggy bank and there are coins of different denominations placed in it. And if we place it downward in the downward condition, there is very likely chance that one of the coins will come out of the piggy bank. And we are now to calculate the probability of that. If we turn down the piggy bank in the downward position, what is the probability that the coin which will come out of the piggy bank will be a 50 paisa coin? So now, first of all, we will write total number of coins in the piggy bank. What are those? 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 10. So these are 180. So the total number of possible outcomes is 180. That is, if one coin comes out of the piggy bank once, then there will be 180 times that the coins will come out of the same when the piggy bank is placed in the downward position. So now what we are to calculate? We are to calculate the probability that the coin will be probability of getting a 50 paisa coin. We are to calculate this. So now how we can calculate the probability of getting a 50 paisa coins? Here on the upper hand we will place the number of 50 paisa coins. Here we will place total number of coins. In other words, we can say that here we will place the number of favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes means we are to calculate the probability of 50 paisa coins. So here we will place the number of 50 paisa coins, and on the lower side we will write the total number of possible outcomes. So here, what is the number of 50 paisa coins? There are 100 50 paisa coins. So what is the total number of coins or the total number of possible outcomes? This is 180. 0 cut 0, it comes 10 over 18. We can also divide both the sides by 5, 2. Here it will become 5 over 9. So we have been able to calculate the probability of getting a 50 paisa coin. This is the answer of the first part. Now the second part. The second part says that what is the probability that the coin will not be a 5 rupee 5 coin. In other words, we want that when the piggy bank is turned downside, it should not be the 5 coin, but it can be any other coin, that is the 50 paisa coin, 1 rupee coin, or rupee 2 coin. So here we will calculate the total number of coins other than rupee 5 coin, rupees 5 coin. What is the total number of coins other than 5? Other than 5 are 100 50 paisa coins, 51 rupee coin, and 22 rupee coin. So all the coins other than rupee 5 are 170. So the probability of that the coin will not be rupee 5 coin is equal to, rupee is also written as this symbol. So here we will write the number of all other coins except 5, or we will write it as number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes. In other words, here we will write the total number of coins other than rupee 5. It is 170. Here we will write the total number of possible outcomes, means all the coins including rupee 5. We have already calculated that the total coins are 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 10. The total coins are 180. So we will divide the same. So this is the probability that the coin will not be rupee 5 coin, 17/18. This is the answer before you. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.